Okay, today I came to check on my farm again. The last time I came and cleared this other side, so I got tired. I had to hire someone to do the work for me. So he has cleared this other part too, and then he's here today again. He's clearing the remaining parts. So you can see how beautiful the farm is taking shape now. Yeah, see how beautiful the farm is taking shape. So look at him here. He's clearing that side. This was the previous side I cleared. Today is this other side. Yes. So you can see him there. You can see the palms are growing very well. This first set that survive, you see how big it has become. Yeah. So if you like the shape of the farm, how it's growing, you can contact me on the comment section and raise questions regarding anything you want to know about farm plantation. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support and encourage the little work I'm doing. Yeah. This one is 3 years now and some months. 3 years and some months. 2 or 3 months or so. 2 years, 3 months or so. Yeah. The other down parts there, those ones are already bringing out fruit. You see them there? They're bringing out fruits. Yeah, this very particular one here. Uh, that one there is already bringing out fruit. And the other one there. Yes. So let me show you the man that is doing the clearing. So you can see how he's doing the work very beautifully and fine. He's clearing the base of the farm. So this, as I said, is the actual maintenance of the farm plantation. Just keep it clean. Make sure the farm is always clean so that air can touch the palm fruits, the palm tree to enable it to grow faster. Yes. Yeah. Let me show you the remaining part that is not yet cleared. You can see this other part. It's not yet clear. Inside this, you can see some palm trees inside. Some palm trees inside there. It's not yet cleared. Yeah. So when he finishes from that side, he will come to this side. Yes. And continue clearing. Yeah. So that is the view of the farm. See, you don't want to appear on camera. Little girl that came to the farm too. Yeah. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yeah. Think you're liking. My next video that I will do in the farm, I will show you the spacing. I will give you the actual spacing between the palm, like the space between each palm fruit. You can see. Let me come back a little. Let me give you a little clue of these two. Let me reduce it. Yes, I see the spacing. So I will give you the actual measurements by my next video. Okay, bye bye.